Happy Onam! Onam celebrates the visit of King Mahabali to the stage of Kerala every year. The festival is celebrated with fervor as King Mahabali is greatly respected by his subjects. The beautiful state of Kerala was once ruled by an Asura king, Mahabali. The king was greatly respected in his kingdom and was considered to be wise, judicious, and extremely generous. It is said that Kerala witnessed its golden era in the reign of visit of King Mahabali.
Everybody was happy in the kingdom. There was no discrimination on the basis of caste or class. Rich and poor were equally treated. There was neither crime nor corruption. People did not even lock their doors, as there were no thieves in that kingdom. There was no poverty, sorrow, or disease in the reign of King Mahabali, and everybody was happy and content. His bravery and strength of character earned him the title of Mahabali Chakravarti or Mahabali, the King of Kings.
Looking at the growing popularity and the fame of the king Mahabali, gods became extremely concerned and jealous. They felt threatened about their own supremacy and began to think of a strategy to get rid of the dilemma.
To curb the growing reign of Mahabali and maintain their own supremacy, Aditi, the mother of gods, sought help of Lord Vishnu, whom Mahabali worshipped. It was said Mahabali was very generous and charitable. Whenever anybody approached him for help or requested for anything, he always granted. To test the king, Lord Vishnu disguised himself as a dwarf and a poor Brahmin called Vamana. He came to the kingdom of Mahabali just after Mahabali performed his morning prayers and was preparing to grant boons to Brahmins.
Disguised as Vamana, Vishnu said he was a poor Brahmin and asked for a piece of land. The generous king said he could have as much land as he wanted. The Brahmin said that he just wanted as much land as could be covered by his 3 steps. The king was surprised to hear but agreed.
Just as King Mahabali agreed to grant the land, Vamana began to expand and eventually increased himself to the size of cosmic proportions. With his first step, the Brahmin boy covered the whole of the earth, and with the other step, he covered the whole of the skies. He then asked King Mahabali, "Where is the space for me to keep my third foot?"
The king realized that he was no ordinary Brahmin and his third step will destroy the earth. Mahabali with folded hands bowed before Vamana and asked him to place his last step on his head so that he could keep the promise. The Brahmin placed his foot on the head of the king, which pushed him to Patala, the netherworld. There the king requested the Brahmin to reveal his true identity. Lord Vishnu then appeared before the king in his person. The Lord told the king that he came to test him and the king won the test. King Mahabali was pleased to see his lord. Lord Vishnu also granted a boon to the king.
The king was so much attached with his kingdom and people that he requested that he would be allowed to visit Kerala once in a year. Lord Vishnu was moved by the king's nobility and was pleased to grant the wish. He also blessed the king and said, even after losing all worldly possessions, the king would always be loved by Lord Vishnu and his people.
Onam is the day of the visit of King Mahabali to Kerala. The festival is celebrated as the tribute to the sacrifice of King Mahabali. Every year, people make elaborate preparations to welcome their king, whom they affectionately call Onatappan. They wish to please the spirit of the king by depicting that his people are happy and wish him well. The second day, Tiruvonam, is the biggest and the most important day of this festival. It is believed that King Mahabali visits his people on the second day.
Happy Onam to everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.